Hello everyone, welcome to this video in which I'm going to restart this Nokia 5220 Express Music, fully functional. One hundred 115 hours and 57 minutes, 116 hours. Let's begin. There we go. There we go. Oh, what's in this thing? Look at these dust balls. See these dust balls? Luckily I don't have to clean this, I have all this thing new. Yeah, they should come out just like this. Oh, this is the keyboard's connector. It was perfectly placed to just grab it with my hand. No tool needed. Let's not forget, of course, the display. And there we go. Here is the main board. Let me try something. There we go. Here is the display, which is also compatible with other Nokia phones. And here is the frame with the earpiece and the keyboard. Well, buttons. So, I'll get cleaning and be right back. Well, cleaned as much as I could. Now it's time to get back to work. Oh. There we go. Now here start it up. it's a pretty unique form factor. Well, it's brick, but like it is up and down. So this was the refurbished video of the Nokia 5220 Express Music. Tell me what you think about this phone, leave a comment, like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel for more daily videos, and I'll see you in the next one. I wish you a very awesome day, just like yourselves. Bye bye.